2017 was such a great year. We reached the 1 million and 2 million subscriber milestones. We got to go to New York City to see all the new 2017 Nerf blasters before they hit shelves. And we even got to battle with some awesome WWE superstars. So let's go back and look at this year's top 5 fan favorite Twin Toys Nerf wars.
I repeat, get into position.
Let's play this new. I have an idea.
I hope you're ready for this, baby Beckett.
You got to be kidding me.
You wouldn't shoot a newborn, would you? Beckett, why'd you stop shooting? No, you're no help.
Okay guys, new plan. Now stand by the kitchen table and act like a distraction.
How are we gonna do that?
By throwing your guns on the pile and acting like you surrendered.
What?
Just trust me.
What are you doing?
Now I gotcha.
You better think again.
You guys think I don't know what happens next? You guys are way too predictable.
You just crossed the line. Mama.
Okay guys, no problem. I'll just have recording sessions during the day when you're all at work.
I wish it was that easy. You see, we want to make sure you never make another video again. permanently.
How do you plan on doing that?
Don't you remember? I hunt for a living. Kids, go get Eli and Liam. Everybody else, follow me!
Okay, we got to split up. Go find a gun and protect yourself.
Oh my, they could have just sent a text message if there was a problem. I hope the kids are okay.
Dad, we need to get some guns. Let's head to the arsenal. Come on, hurry, Liam. Come on, dude, what's taking so long? I don't know, the code doesn't work. Then run!
Come on, I know I left a gun in here somewhere.
Oh, finally!
Just give it up, man! There's no escaping this!
Try escaping this. He's upstairs, let's go! Did I forget my gun? Hey guys, I got an idea. Step back. Oh man, how am I supposed to defend myself against this stinking chainsaw? I was gonna show the kids this later, but I need this now more than ever. Get ready to meet your maker!
Look what Mama found.
Time to call in the rest of the neighbors. Bubba. Yeah, Mary Poppins has flew in the coop. Yeah, we're gonna start Foxtrot Charlie. Alright, see you in a little bit. Bye.
Hun, what are you doing?
Shh, hon, you're gonna give away my location.
Sorry, but what'd you find out?
Okay, so I found out Josh is calling in reinforcements. We need to radio in to Eli and Liam to tell them to take everybody out while we take care of Josh. Eli and Liam, do you copy? Is everything okay?
Yep, this fish taking care of business.
Sweet, but just a heads up, I think there's more neighbors coming your way. You think you can handle them?
No problem.
Nice knowing you, twin toys.
Go ahead, do it again. See what happens. That's it. I told you guys to go to bed.
Now you go sleep.
Oh man, that was my last weapon!
Sweet dreams. Now I got a sweet upgrade, so what's the plan?
I need you to chase Daddy to the front yard so we can surround him and he'll have nowhere to go.
How do you know Daddy's not ready for us?
Because he doesn't have baby Beckett. He's still sleeping.
Yeah, no baby sale this time. Let's get out! Okay, I spotted Daddy. Are you ready? Ready. Let's get out!
Oh man, you see those guns? How am I gonna match up against that? Not again!
Guys, get in the house quick. We can't let him get to baby Beckett.
Okay, I need high-powered weapons and baby Beckett. Oh my gosh, Camden has an upgraded weapon too? How am I gonna defeat these guys? Wait a minute. I have their whole arsenal right here. The question is, which weapon should I use against them? These will definitely do the trick.
smokes, what died in here?
Now where are you gonna go? All that's left is Mommy, and I know exactly where she is.
You have no idea how long I've waited for this.
Let's just say if you're hungry enough to win, they'll do whatever it takes to settle this once and for all.
Is this a food eating contest?
Hungry enough, what, like some pizza, chicken wings, and some ranch dressing? 'Cause I could go for some wings right now, man, I'm telling you.
Yes, burgers, fries, strawberry shortcake.
Tater tots or something, man.
You know,
Cheerios, cereal,
cornflakes.
Like he said, how hungry are you?
You want those two? Where's the ammo bag?
Come here. From behind that wall. And you're gonna take him on the other side, okay?
Oh, they're coming, they're coming.
I got you, dog. I know I got you. I got you.
Baby, come on. Okay, come here, guys. Come here.
a super gun is hidden in a place you store cash. For nine chances of the you'll
Guys, I think they're coming.
So we're really kicking butt here. You know that? We're really doing a good job. Come here. Huh? No. Where? Hold on. Let's sneak around this way.
We're getting hammered. We are getting downstairs.
I know, but sneak around this way. Come on. Come this way. Can't let them see us.
Where do they think they're going?
I don't know.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for the
Records.
You got it, Bailey? Hey, at least we got protection. Come on. Retreat.
I got baited like thousands of times.
Oh, not yet. Save that ammo. We're gonna be just fine.
Follow us.
Don't trust us.
I see someone. The one's over there.
Come here. You got the heavy duty gun. You gotta be with me. Oh, Bailey, perfect. Stay right here. Watch this way.
Hey, Liam, come here. I'm gonna show you how to finish the war, okay? But then again, you already saw me do it enough times. So why don't you do it? Get down and pin him.
1, 2, 3, woo!
Thanks again, Twin Toy Army, for another great year. I'm looking forward to see what happens in 2018.
We are the champ. Liam.
Liam.